Good morning, it's Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, and this is Leibovit Volume Reversal Tutorial here on Tradestation. You're looking at DBA, which is the Agricultural Power Shares ETF. We generated a Leibovit positive volume reversal in the daily chart here just last week, couple three trading days back on the data window here. So that was on the 10th. Meanwhile, we had a rising 533 stochastic, which I like to use. So there's good correlation here. We had a beautiful signal here back on April 8th, rising stochastic, nice move up. So we seem to have some nice correlation. This was a key reversal day here on increasing volume. So I would have treated this as a fudge negative VR and been out right away for a trade the next day. That was your reversal pattern there. This negative VR I would not have taken because you had a rising 533 stochastic. But back here, you had a beautiful negative VR. This is back on the week of, not the week of, March 18th, and as you can see, beautiful decline, 533. You had a positive ER right in the middle, which was invalid because of the declining 533. So you get the gist of my thinking here. You like to see negative ERs come off tops, negative 533. You like to see positives come off bottoms with a rising 533. Very simple. This is all I really do, and not a lot of rocket science here. On the weekly chart, you had some nice confirmation here. This is back on the April 15th, the week of April 15th. You had a positive ER. There was some follow through. Unfortunately, the 533 was delayed a week here, but on the negative signal, which came prior to that on the week of March 25th, you did have a declining 533 and a nice couple week decline there. Let's jump over to the monthly chart to get some bigger picture perspective. Beautiful signal here in terms of a broad downtrend back on looks like May 30th, 2014, multi-month decline. You would have ignored the positive there because of the declining stochastic. But what's interesting here is a couple months back, March 31st, the month ending March 31st, we did generate a positive ER. So maybe this is signaling a turn in the agricultural sector, and maybe just a function of all commodities or futures starting to uptick here a little bit, which we've seen in gold and so forth. So just want to present the VR in the three time frames here. Great indicator and great use in various time frames, which I'm very impressed. You know, I generally use the daily chart, but it's always good to see correlation in the others. So at VRTrader.com, you can get specific recommendations of my Platinum service and the Gold letter and the Vice letter. Silver is our daily market commentary. Our Forecaster is our cyclical annual report, and of course my book, The Trading Book of Volume. And we do have my Wall Street Raw radio program. It is on iTunes. It can be listen to live 10 a.m. Eastern on gcnlive.com, also 1510 KFNN in Phoenix. You can go to their website and you can listen live as well, but I believe they delay the broadcast till Sunday. Meanwhile, we are in the process of syndicating the show, so check us out. Great programming, great guests, very interesting. So try to sign up for the Leibovit Volume Reversal. You won't regret it. Great complimentary tool. I've only used it for 35 years. Have a great day. Thanks for checking in.